octal to decimal conversion. This is the weight distribution for octal numbers. We have 1, 8, 64, 512, 4096, 32768, 2621, 44, and so on. 8 to the exponent 0 is equal to 1. Then 8 to the exponent 1 is equal to 8. 8 to the exponent 2 is equal to 64. That is 8 times 8 equals 64. 8 to the exponent 3 is equal to 512. That is 64 times 8 equals 512. Then we have 8 to the exponent 4. That is 4096. That is 512 times 8. Then 8 to the exponent 5, that is equal to 32,768. That is 4096 times 8. Then we have 8 to the 6, or 8 to the exponent 6. That is equal to 262,144. So that is 32,768 times 8. That is equal to 262,144. Example number 1. 750 in octal, that is equal to 488 in decimal. We'll start on 0 by multiplying 1. 0 times 1 plus 5 times 8 plus 7. So next is 7 times 64. 0 times 1, that is 0. Then 5 times 8 is 40. 7 times 64 is equal to 448. Then add 0 plus 40 plus 448, that is equal to 488. Therefore 750 in octal is equal to 488 in decimal. Example number 2. 2,457 in octal, that is equal to 1,327 in decimal. Let's start on 7. 7 times 1 plus 5 times 8. Then 4 times 64. Then the last is 2 times 512. 7 times 1, that is 7, plus 5 times 8 equals 40, plus 4 times 64 equals 256, plus 2 times 512 is equal to 1024. Get the sum. 7 plus 40 plus 256 plus 1024 is equal to 1327. Therefore 2,457 in octal is equal to 1327 in decimal. Example number 3. 1163 in octal is equal to 627 in decimal. Let's start from the right by multiplying the weight distribution. That is starting also from the right. So 3 times 1 plus 6 times 8 plus 1 times 64 plus 1 times 512. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. 6 times 8 is equal to 48. 1 times 64 is equal to 64. 1 times 512 is equal to 512. Get the sum. 3 plus 48 plus 64 plus 512 is equal to 627. 1163 in octal is equal to 627 in decimal. Another example. Example number 4. 74,622 in octal. That is equal to 31,122 in decimal. 2 times 1 plus 2 times 8 plus 6 times 64 plus 4 times 512 plus 7 times 4096 equals 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 2 times 8 equals 16 plus 6 times 64 is equal to 384 plus 4 times 512 is equal to 2048 plus 7 times 4096 is equal to 28,672. Get the sum. 2 plus 16 plus 384 plus 2048 plus 28,672 is equal to 31,122. Therefore, 74,622 in octal is equal to 31,122 in decimal. Example number 5. 53,674 is equal to 22,460 in decimal. 4 times 1 plus 7 times 8 plus 6 times 64 plus 3 times 512 plus 5 times 4096 equals 4. That is 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 7 times 8, that is 56, plus 6 times 4 equals 384 plus 3 times 512 is equal to 1536 plus 5 times 4096 is equal to 20,480. Get the sum. 4 plus 56 plus 384 plus 1536 plus 20,480 is equal to 22,460 in decimal. 53,674 is equal to 22,460 in decimal. Another example, example number 6. 36,436 in octal is equal to 15,646 in decimal. 6 times 1 plus 3 times 8 plus 4 times 64 plus 6 times 512 plus 3 times 4096. 6 times 1 equals 6, 3 times 8 equals 24, 4 times 64 equals 256, 6 times 512 equals 3072, 3 times 4096 is equal to 12,288. Get the sum. 6 plus 24 plus 256 or 256 plus 3072 plus 12,288 is equal to 15,646. Therefore, 36,436 in octal is equal to 15,646 in decimal. Example number 7. 400 in octal is equal to 256 in decimal. So 0 times 1 plus 0 times 8 plus 4 times 64. So 0 times 1 is equal to 0 plus 0 times 8 equals to 0 plus 4 times 64 equals 256. 0 plus 0 plus 256 is equal to 256. Therefore, 400 octal is equal to 256 in decimal. Example number 8. Last example. 327 in octal is equal to 215 in decimal. 7 times 1 plus 2 times 8 plus 3 times 64. 7 times 1 is equal to 7. 2 times 8 is equal to 16. 3 times 64 is equal to 192. 7 plus 16 plus 192 is equal to 215. 327 in octal is equal to 215 in decimal. Thank you and God bless.